Your EXOGEN ultrasound bone healing system contains a strap to hold the transducer in place during treatment. However, because of the specific location of your fracture, possibly a clavicle fracture, you have also received a weighted applicator strap, which is better suited to holding the transducer in place during treatment of your fracture. This video provides step-by-step instructions for setting up the weighted applicator strap. You will also find printed instructions in the weighted applicator strap bag. To start using your weighted applicator strap, you will need to transfer parts from the strap that was provided to you with the bone healing system. Start with the strap that was provided to you. First, open the cap by pushing the two tabs toward each other. Remove the cap by pulling on the tethered ring and then push the port out. You can set this strap aside. Now, remove the weighted applicator strap from the bag. Notice that the strap has a smooth side and a textured side. The textured side is the back. It will be the side that rests against your skin. Take the port, along with the foam on the back of the port, and push it through the hole from the back side of the weighted applicator strap. Press firmly so it sticks to the strap. Take the cap with the tethered ring and snap the tethered ring back onto the port. Your weighted applicator strap is now assembled, and you are ready to begin your daily EXOGEN treatments. In the example I used earlier, with a clavicle site issue fracture, make sure the longer end of the weighted applicator strap hangs over your shoulder onto your back. That way, it will be balanced during treatment. Remember, the textured side of the weighted applicator strap should be against your skin. Also, make sure your port is placed directly over your fracture site. If you're not sure where the fracture site is, contact your doctor. If you have questions about assembling the weighted applicator strap after watching this video and reading the printed instructions, please call customer service.